Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be decorating this vignette with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's start over here with this tablecloth. So the tablecloth was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army, and that beautiful white tray, believe it or not, I got it from the party section of the Dollar Tree. Now the tall cylinder vase, I got that from the Dollar Tree also, and believe it or not, the florals I gathered little by little, and they all came from Dollar Tree. Now the candy corn pick, I believe I got that from Michael's. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now, co-hosting in this collab is Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Z9 Design, Pretty DIYs, and Sasu Glam Style. Now I am going to be adding any additional co-hosts down below in the description box. Okay, so I am like really excited because we do have a guest host today, and her name is Lorn Decor, and this is the fall edition. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Guys, make sure you head on over to Lorna's Decor's channel. She has a glamorous channel. I love her tablescapes. She does so many things. She was also in the Lantern collab. I cannot tell you how beautiful her home is. So head on over there and show her some love. Okay guys, so we lit the candle. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Tablescapes by Candy for hosting this collaboration with me, along with all of the beautiful co-hosts. I also want to thank Lorna's Decor for coming in as a guest host. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.